please subscribe. I got 64 subscribers and we're super close to 100. And I will be doing a giveaway. I thought to show my appreciation. Ew, I look like a potato. In today's video, I'm gonna do a full face of Drugstore makeup. And I just picked up a bunch of like L'Oreal Havana products that I've never used before. It's like really pretty eyeshadows, so I'm pretty sure these don't exist anymore. I don't know if they're still in the stores, because I know this was like from the summer. But like, yeah. So to start off, I'm gonna prime my face. This is the only Drugstore primer I own. I don't really own that many primers, but this is maybe made in baby skin. I need to buy like more primers in general. Honestly, I have like a fat pimple right there, and it's like bugging me. I woke up with, I don't know why, because I didn't wear foundation yesterday, but it just appeared. And I'm sorry if you hear a dog in the background. He's like howling. Store thing I will be using in this video is my Montanamvb desk, but it's not that expensive. It's only like $7, which isn't like bad. But this is the only setting spray I have, and primer and water. Okay, I'm gonna go use my Real Tech's ink sponge. This one's brand new. I like the color. I'm gonna go wet it, and I'm gonna use my little Real Tech ink sponge. What that? Yeah, this one. Look at that, like really big. Like I have a normal orange one that it's like twice the size. Well, that's not that bad. And then I have like a Tarte one. That's big. Then for my pomade, I have Makeup Revolution in the color Caramel Brown. I'm still really bad at filling them in, but you know, working. And then for concealer today, I will be using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define for full coverage concealer in the shade C2. And for foundation today, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. And then I got this Havana Sunlit Bronzer that I'm going to mix it because this is kind of a little too light, but this is like really dark, so I'm only going to use like a drop. Like not even. Beach Cosmetics. Again, I don't know if you really count that as Drugstore, but like it's the only palette I have that's not high-end, besides like a Wet n Wild highlighting palette. and a contouring palette. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna take my contouring palette and I'll take this fluffy brush and just take this brown shade. It doesn't have a name. So. I'm gonna get more eyeshadow palettes here from the drugstore. I think Wild Mix has really good ones. But I want to try them. I'm gonna take this. Okay. And then. Oh, I forgot. I have this little Havana glitter eyeshadow that I'm just gonna take with my finger, honestly. And this color is like super pretty, obviously. And I'm making my Ulta eyeshadow again. I don't know if you can see in the drugstore. I'm gonna take the little purple side and just put that in the crease. Wild highlighting palette. It's so pretty. I think I'm gonna use this, the pink and white shade, and mix them both. I'm gonna just put and then I don't have any drugstore mascaras anymore because I don't really like wearing mascara, honestly. Not my cup of tea. That's what I'm working with. I think I might use that purple, which is this one, but we'll see if it even goes on. Oh yeah, this does not go on at all. Okay, so I'm gonna try this other purple. Well, never mind, there's like none left. I'm gonna try the black. I think I'm gonna go with this Mauve Maybelline. This is the final results. I like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below anything you want me to film. Subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all